Hello everyone. So today we are going to see the Leetcode POD and the problem is water bottles. So it is a easy label problem and let's see the problem statement. So here it is given nums bottles, water bottles that are initially full of water, and you can exchange empty water bottles from the market with one full water bottle. The operation of drinking a full water bottle turns it into a empty bottle, and given that two integer nums bottle and num exchange return the maximum number of water bottles you can drink. Okay, so basically we are having total initial full bottles and how many empty bottles we can give to get one bottle. This num exchange is that number. Okay, so if we will give three empty bottle, then we will get one full bottle from market. So similarly we have to apply this repetition until we can't get more full bottles, right? So it is just a mathematical logic operation. There is nothing much about this problem like any particular data structure, but yeah, we can use some mathematical logic here. So let's see the approach for the solution. So let's suppose here it is in example 2 it is given. We are initially having 15 bottles, and then when we will drink, then all the bottles will convert to the empty bottles, and then again from those number of bottles we can make sure that only one bottle will be given for each four bottles, means each set of four bottles. And yeah, so here when we will try to exchange, then for first four bottles we will get one, second four bottles we will get one, and third four bottles we will get one, and another three will remain empty because we can't exchange right now. So here we can see if we do whatever the number of empty bottles, and we will get the reminder by the num exchange, then directly we will get number of remaining bottles by doing mod operation, and we can get number of full bottles by dividing how many number of full bottles, right? And so on we will go and we will check if there is any full bottle, then we will drink it and we will add that into bottle counts, right? So let's go with this approach, and yeah, let's code it out. So initially we will give a full is equal to num bottles, and our empty bottles will be initially 0, and we will keep track of bottles, number of bottles we are drinking. So initially it is 0, and we will make sure we will do a while loop until full bottle is greater than 0, and each time we will add all the full bottles to the number of bottles we are drinking, and make sure that all bottles should be empty at that time. So that should be added as empty bottle because we are drinking all of the full bottles at the current time. And then now we are having empty bottles, so we have to exchange right now. So exchanging process, this was the drinking process. After drinking, we will have these results. And yeah, full bottles will be 0 right now because we are drinking all of the water. We will drink from all of the bottles, right? So all the bottles will get uh, empty and no full bottles will be there. So now we can exchange. So empty bottles will decrease and full bottles will increase. So full bottle will get how many exchanges we can do. So empty divided by num exchange and these many bottles will be added to the full bottles because we are exchanging, and empty bottles will just be whatever the number of remaining bottles. So we will just get mod operation with num exchange. Yeah, so after that we will repeat it until we are getting full bottle is greater than 0 right now. So we will return bottles here. So let's run it. Okay, num exchange. Okay, spelling mistake it is. Okay, so we can see, right, all the solutions in the test cases are got accepted. So let's see how these are dry run. We will try to dry run it and see how these are working. So system dot out dot println. Here we will see number of bottles after drinking, number of uh, full bottles, number of empty bottles, and yeah. So we will try to do this same after the exchange. So we will do the same after the exchange. So here exchange. Okay, let's run it. Yeah. So initially we are getting, after drinking we are getting all the 9 bottles, and we are counting all of them, then all are becoming empty bottle, and now we are having just 0, means no full bottles we are having. And after exchange we will have total, still we are having total 9 bottles only, and now empty bottles are 0 because all of the bottles get exchanged, because 9 can be divided by the num exchange 3. So now we are having 3 full bottles. After that we are adding 3 to our number of bottles, and then empty bottle will be 3 and full bottle will be 0, and so on up to this. We can see like at the end number of bottles after exchange is 13, and empty bottle is 1, and 0 full bottles. So now we can't exchange any full bottles, so output is just 13. So let's go for the third test case. Here it is given like after after drinking 19 bottles are present, empty bottles are 3, and we can exchange for 4 number of bottles, but that's why we can't get any full bottles after this, and this is the final results. So let's try to submit it. It is showing 100% waiting. So this was the solution. Thank you.